namukena kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst channel hoy of course namuntlha hoy hi ta khelo la Dr. Thomas Chauke lawa hi nga ta hi khi va linka na an artist called Khani. So hi very hi nghena mhakeni. So kuna an artist very called Khani. Even on YouTube, artist in Tsanan, dog very as you can see, it's this one here. So me sort of very message similar car. Anga fika endla a sample got the original song very ya Dr. Thomas Chauke yangena macheleni. So ngeva da itlanga before vela shotala. Okay. Ayangenele. Kona a shaking them and a shaking swinene. Twana bid. So recently I release win, unfortunately I couldn't download before delete bad. Go back and the clips me should talk archive win and stuff like that. Yeah. I shaking the man. Magami into ku itweni very ku ya kwena. Unfortunately the man anga ri na permission ne ya ku va kha upload that song. So ngomka loko channel mi nga subscribe ma swi tiva khelo leswo swilo leswi ano phela master I know bar ne ya ro swin'wana swivula. I know about these things. So unless sampling yena very ma ito ka tekena the beats so ka beat like okay no vula guitar it forms part of the beats or the sound liya fika teka sound liya ma swi to yi kona la ya Dr. Thomas Chauke ya ri simra nghena machineni hinkwenu a ri tiva. So Africa ri endla as a sampling loko hi fika hi cheka la sampling ta ya ka portion ya sampling it's when a small portion of the original song is taken and then it's transformed and then incorporated into a new work, of course, which might be permissible, but this often requires clearance and permission. So in overall, munhu a fika a endla this sampling swa kona ifike va ikume permission and munhu loyi kuma permission ka yena very na yena ifika va kota ku benefita from that same song so unfortunately Khani la anga yi kumanga permission yo fika a endla swo mabele na Vcat mla very ku hi argument ya yena na yin'wana comments a yi nghene a ku ri timhatu lava a va ri safe because a va ndlela ti international artists leti nga kula swinene laha ku nga na low possibility yo swi nga fika na le ka vo mhaka leyiwa. Hard luck kona a uri wrong, you also know it, but unfortunately I chanka. So hi ngo twa statement xana hi twa ku yena u ri swindlise kwini because u endle a video clip here. Risimu ri deletiwile as you can see kwalana risimu ra ha ri kona ri deletiwile. A hi tweni ku i rini.
Hello guys.
Hello.
Risimu leri macheleni swi nga endleka ni fanele ni ri susa.
Ri sukile already.
Because the management seemed to want to have me have the song taken down. So long story short, the song blows up. I didn't expect it to blow up. So first of all, thank you to the fans. And then along like the past few days, one of the videos someone commented and mentioned Griffith Chauke, and then
yin'wana ina Dr. Thomas Chauke vhevheliwa nga mentioniwa hi ximbobo lexo ba guitar liya yo bonga liya ku mentioniwa yena and stuff like that.
Account ya yena, and then after going to his account I realized I'm going to text her directly, so I just followed him and then untexted her and I'll just put the screenshot on top of the video.
That's xi video xo ka ni fike ni download ni swi nga koti ku vonaka kahle laha. Okay. Okay, I downloadini ya so hi loyi inani i xibobo la a kha texta Dman a fika a tsala ku hater yeah, and then Dman a fika kombisa ku I need help clearing the sample for my recent song. So loyi se a lava ku va a kuma permission yo kota ku a cleara risimu ne, then hala ku nga kombisa ku where can I, okay, where can we contact you? A tsala number 4. His management will be in touch. Ku vula management ya Dr. Thomas Chauke and stuff like that. So swi ve wrong because misa loyi inani khani la i fike a teka risimu leriya a teka the song a ndla a sample a fika a ri humesa without the permission. Loko se a swi vona ku timhaka se ti bihini risimu se ra dumaduma se ku va ku ri kona se a lava ku kuma a permission. So swi ve wrong, swi ve na ku delela kukulu ngopfungopfu ka doctor Dr. Thomas Chauke because munhu loyi a nga kusuhani ngopfu na hina la our legend a fika a teka without a permission. Loko se a swi vona ku hey se laha ku nga na madyelo ya rihlaza ku va ku ri kona se a kombela ku a permission na mhaka leyi. So unfortunately like his way of doing things were wrong. Swi very very clear a nga swi ndlangi hi ndlela ya yona straight mara xi ni hlamurisa ku i swilo leswi a nga swi vona ka ti-videos ta yena a reds a hi ngeneni hi twa ku i to swi endlisa ku yini laha
and basically yeah, then okay, I just need help clearing the sample because I do understand like I released the song without the publishing rights to do so. So like that was a mistake and a risk. But like as a small artist, I didn't think the song would do that well. So
what are you saying? Hey Dman, did you the song can do that well. Sure, when the one we approach and I go to Mado somehow I have like shinga figili ku ringi riff ka raka hlerisimrai my leswi azamangula so unfortunately I changa.
He basically asked for my number and then I gave him my number and then he said that Vatan contact the management. So just for the record, I was in contact with Mara. I found out from a cousin of mine, I contacted another one, and of which I understand the decision to want to make me remove the song. Mara, she confused her. It was like, number I mean, and Mara, I want contacting directly mean. So for now,
mara hi khani twana wona u va contact dani wona na u yi teke risimu ra vona, you did not contact them or the management. Na you fika teka risimu i endla loko se va ku tere na vona se i tlhela blame yi tlherisa ndhawu wa swi vona va swi lavisa ku ni ku landza because a ni vona va na ownership ya risimu. Wena u fike va contactini at first place se swi ku zama ku va ku lunghisiwa swilo. So a ku na need yo yi fika wa ha clarify swilo a ku nga ri need yo wa ha clarify swilo hi ku a wi sure ku ri approach ya vona ku vi ri yini ku phela swi na rinyadzo xikarhi hi fike hi swi twisana sweswi ku if you take someone's song without their permission, it's a problem, it's a huge problem. And in this case it's our own doctor kwa. So hey I read swi helelangi la yi tlhandla na yin'wana video clip ni twi na ku le ku justify me so u nga justify ka mzila u nga justify because it's already ni sure ku ti-video ta vona se ti fikini le hansi se ni ri ku ndleni na mina like ti fike ti rini se na a day ago. Yeah, of course a va kha va n'wi byela van'wana laha hi maestro la nga fambisa ku dangerous thing to do when copyrights are involved. I think communicating with the rightful owner before sampling will be the right thing to do. So okay, you talk about this video clip.
Okay, so I want to do a quick response to this comment. I totally understand. As to say, so like the whole copyright situation is like quite difficult to deal with. Mara,
okay, I don't know.
Oh, I mean, the music industry type of thing is divided into 3 categories. From like the underground, and then there's a mid tier, which like there's no specific name for it, and then mainstream. And the rules are different in each section. So
rules are different in each section. A hi ngheneni ka YouTube ni ta n'wi komba swin'wana Dman lo hi lomu ka valungu a ni hi searchini I think wa yi nga humi okay hi search kambe ka valungu Rich Tinet nda yi searcha so mi nga ma hleketa ku ku ve na nyimpi yi kulukumba swinene about this song laha a yi humese hi vatebya na vanomza so risimu leri ri tekiwa down laha ri nga tlhela ri huma kambe maswo ri fike ri se ri huma under Peter Tinet of course ri upload hi va Rich Tinet vani hi vo swi va nga kona and stuff like that hi there. Oh, now they got the voice. As you can see, you know the original sample yi nga fika endliwa and then lavaya a va ve vandla another song vele mga ma hleketa ya lomu ka valungu hi side ra vona nkoku la ku fika ku va na a complicated sort of type of nyimpi sort of hi ku laha ku fika kombisa ku risimu leri a ku ri khale ri kona laha hi nga fiki vona u papa pheni na va tlhela va fika va humesa lomu ka valungu va kombisa ku i risimu ra ni nga hi swi vitana njhani ra ndhavuko sort of or leri ro yimbelela ri nga hava ownership and stuff like that laha mhaka of course yi nga va endlisa swona hensi laha ti nga deletiwangi leswi swi nga fika swi endlisa swona veri u nga ri original work and stuff like that so swi nga fi swi endla ku ri nga ha deletiwi so lava va tebya va ve va rimbelela hi voice ya vona ni laha mi swi twa nga ku yimbelela nomza like i tirhise his own voice va fika yimbelela risimu leriwa va na mhaka leyiwa leswi nga fika swi endlisa swona mara ku nga ha tekiwi na ti-busy ta le and stuff like that ta the original song ya i Peter Tinet and stuff like that so unfortunately laniwa and loko hi languta case ya Khane la Khane i fika a teka original beats ta vona Dr. Thomas Chauke that guitar maybe let's agree to disagree ku ri a yi ta va yi ri fair usage ne loko a ku nga ri na that guitar ne ya nga swi vula tano or maybe loko a lo yi maybe ka intro ntsena ku ri xihafananyana like yi tlange that section a hi tlange nyana I'm not saying I'm correct but ntwi loko maybe kumbe xa loko bash section lexi ntsena ne this one yeah even then even then ti-guitar leti ti nga ha ngheni ma swo xiphatani lexi va ku ri lexiya ntsena even then hala ndzeni swi like a swi endla as sort of a cover sort of some sort of a cover nyana ntwi loko maybe a yi ta yi ri under fair usage mi rini guys hi ku twisa ka n'wina like a vekele guitar leyi laha masunguleni ntsena then hala kun'wana a yimbela hi swa yena hi nghena machinini ya le but ku nga ha ri na those guitars a chaye hi swa yena ma yi twisa ntwi loko maybe a yi ta va yi ri under fair usage of course a tlhela la ni kha ni n'wi kanetela kha ku ti-rules ti-different ni twi ku xi kuma kwini but let's continue yeah
in each section. So in the underground section, of which I was in before the song blew up, the rules of the music industry, they don't really apply. So it's all like, that's where there's the most creative freedom. It's not like we were saying the rules don't exist. We just don't want to follow the rules because we just don't want creative restriction. So mid-tier is what.
Okay, so swi loko okay me so la a ri awe phara mhaka leyi swi loko is guilty like swi vheta swi va swi ri endleka is guilty swi loko a ri awe hi swona is aware of the rules leswi swi endla ku mhaka yi tika ni ti ku a yi endleni video clip leyi a yi nga yi endlangi video clip leyi swi endla ku se a va a tlhela va more guilty and stuff like that a ni swi twisisi karhi of course hala i le ku kombiseni ku hayi i ri moving mara i le ku justifyeni mina xilo lexi nga ku ni nyanga ntseni i ku i le ku justifyeni you see like i le ku justifyeni a ku nga ri ni diwa a fika a justify because it was wrong so a fika nga a tlhela a handla ti-video clips a kha justify stuff like that ku ti-rules a ti-apply swona loko a swi make sense it doesn't make any sense loko xipidi lava ku ina ni 100 kilometers per hour ka patu ro karhi loko vo fika va ku kuma maphorisa ki famba that 100 va ta ku tlhava thikithi koka vhevhe le South Africa ta hakela cold drink at some cases but yeah nawu vo va kha wu va wu ri kona and stuff like that
you up from underground to mid-tier. So with me at this point, I don't mind like they end up like if we end up finding a way to put the song back up.
Okay.
If they want to have like majority of the royalties from that song, I don't mind because like I want to bring the song back to the people.
Okay, hayi mhaka yi twarini hayi yena loko hi yingisela wo acknowledge ku it was wrong loko acknowledge na ndanga na problem ku va nga fika va teka more royalties from the song ku ri kota ku va ri vuya swi le ku twaleni but next time mi nga justify khani u understand ku maybe yi nga va ya na swi nga ri ku tsakiseni straight ku very still a risimu ra wena and stuff like that but next time mi nga justify swilo in this way but hayi kona mhaka yi twarini unfortunately risimu ri fambeni a ra ba mi ri twini a xi fine i hit like you can hit ku hit like i te na swilo swa different because now a ni ma swa ku hi busy like na vo Blizzy Boy hala ka inani hala ka vo Electro like a te na something different like for now like ku nga sound leyi se a yi hundzini like vo last year kwana ku twa lomu ka valungu and stuff like that vo ma 2023 and stuff like that sa ku nghena leswi sa swi nga ha ri ku ndliweni so a tlha swi vuyisa lero ya a tirheni swinene so hayi a ri hezi ta hi kha hi vona swi ta fambisa ku yini hopefully ri ta vuya so leswi a ku vi dyondzo ku na lava maybe va nga tsekela ku va va endla swa the sampling ngopfungopfu loko yi kha yi kumeka ka Gaza make sure i kuma yona a permission loko yi ri kule leyi swi na mhaka ngopfu mani u khisama lavo Rihanna vo inani vo Eminem or Eminem na cheka mina okay it's Eminem not Eminem ni bari mina because mina general ni ku and ni ri Eminem minkarhi yo tala Eminem and the Eminem yer so hi sweswo hayi a ku ndo swilo swi va hi ndlela ya kahle unless if maybe swo fola under fair usage la yi tikaka ya tika fair usage ya tika tanihileswi ni swona ku na explanation wa kombisa ku in some cases using a small portion of the original lyrics might be considered fair usage but this complex and fact specific determination so swa tika like still loko vikhinle fair usage risimu ra munhu still a nga tlhavula ku hayi i risimu ra mina still so ya hi leswo loko ri amukeza swi skapa ni ta kombela mi tlika subscribe
Esse pão na verdade. Ah, boy.